Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox the GRDE Solar Powered 12 LED motion sensor light, take a close-up look and test it out. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a motion sensor light which is solar powered, so it's completely wireless and runs off a built-in rechargeable battery. And I've previously tested 4, 8 and 24 LED versions from other brands. So this is a 12 LED version. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's go ahead and remove everything and then we'll go through them one by one. Okay, so that's the box emptied out. Okay, so there is a user manual. With some technical information. And operating modes. So let's put that aside. And we have a couple of 3M adhesive pads, so they're double-sided, so just stick them onto the light and then affix it to a wall or whichever location you require it to be. And for something more permanent, we have a couple of Phillips screws and wall plugs. And there is also a pin or key in there. And it's usually used to activate the light for its first use. So let me just go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's put that down. And lastly, of course, we have the motion sensor light. And on the top of it is the solar panel or photovoltaic cell. And on the underside here below, there are 12 LEDs, as you can see. And that is the PIR or passive infrared sensor. And of course there is a pinhole there for activating the light for its first use. So there is a hole here for wall mounting onto a screw or hook. And another hole here for screwing it down or hooking as well. So you can see this is made of a very sturdy plastic. And of course there is a protective film or packaging film on top of the cell here, which should be removed before use. So let's go ahead and activate the light for its first use. So we use the pin that's supplied. And let's go ahead and pop it into that hole, and you can see it lights up very nicely and brightly. and it's just gone dim. So there are two levels, and it's just gone into the high brightness mode when it senses movement. So I'm trying to keep still here. Let's see if I can keep it still enough so that it goes into the dim mode. There we go, so that's the dim mode right there. And the high brightness mode. So now let's go ahead and test it out outdoors.
Cookies. Cookies. I want cookies.
So that's the GRDE Solar Powered 12 LED motion sensor light. Thanks for watching and happy shining!